What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tony, and I'm back with another video. Look, I literally just got home from work about an hour ago, and I really want to start preparing dinner earlier than what I be doing. You understand what I'm saying? Normally I would start dinner around 7 o'clock, and that is entirely too late. Then you be eating around 9 o'clock at night. So I'm trying to change all that. I don't like eating so late at night. So it's 4:57, and I'm about to start cooking. Okay, because thought I heard something. Cause I'm making some barbecue. I'm making some what is this? Pork chops. Okay, and the way I make my pork chops is I like to have them in the oven for at least almost 3 hours. You know what I mean? That's how I cook my pork chops. Cause then when I take my pork chops out, they be just falling apart. You'll see. If you want to try this recipe, you want to follow this video, because them pork chops I make is the bomb. I got some corn. They had a sale where I was at. 10 ears of corn for $5. So I jumped on that because we absolutely love corn in this household. We love corn in this house. We some corn eating sons of men. We some corn eating motherfuckers, bro. I'm telling you that. But I'm about to start cooking, man. I want to thank everybody for always supporting your boy. Let me turn this way so y'all can see. I don't want to have that light in your eyeballs. I want to thank everybody that's always support me. I know I'm crazy. I know I'm weird, and thank you for supporting your boy. All right. Let's get the pork chops cooked. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Why did I say subscribe button? What is wrong with me? Every time I start recording, my mind just goes blank, and I don't like that. But let's make this goddamn food, man, because y'all messing me all up. So what I want to do is I always start off by cleaning my meat. I'm gonna start off by cleaning the meat. All right, clean your meat. Like I said, you always want to clean your meat. You know, you ain't always got to go the extra step. What I do is I take some cold water or something like that, and I would just go over my meat. You know, you just want to wipe it off, because sometimes when you're cooking these pork chops, they be having little bones on them, and you don't want nobody eating no bones. All right, so I'm just going to wipe a couple of these, all of them down, not a couple, but all of them down. Look how big this pork chop is, y'all. Look how big this pork chop is. Look at that. That's a big pork chop. Go ahead and wipe that bad boy down. I'm not going to show the whole progress. I just want to give y'all a little idea of what I do, alright? So we're just going to wipe it, rub it. Look at that. That's about to fall off. That's good meat right there. That's that good meat. Look, this is what I'm using for this meal tonight. I got some Worcestershire sauce. If you want to use that, trust me, you'll enjoy it. You know, I got my onion and herb. I got my garlic salt. I got my meat tenderizer, pepper, and of course, Old Bay. Not Old Bay. I told you I'm losing my goddamn mind, y'all. Seasoning oil, okay? Oh yeah. And I also have some beef cooking stock. We're gonna drain all that out, after, everything. So we're gonna go with, let's go with some meat tenderizers and seasoning first, okay? We're gonna get the back. You really don't need a lot of this meat tenderizer. This meat tenderizer is some good stuff. Alright. Now we're gonna go with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. You don't need a lot. Alright, we're gonna put some more in this pan, okay? Let's put some garlic salt on this one. So we're gonna flip this bad boy over, alright? So y'all get the idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season this up here, right here. Alright? Alright, y'all. I got everything seasoned up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some of this beef stock. Just on the sides a little bit. Once we almost done, okay? Alright. So, let's kind of whoosh that around. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the aluminum foil on the top so we can throw this bad boy in the oven. Alright. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, guys. I got some pepper and onion and all this stuff. This is some good stuff, man. So I almost forgot to put that in there, and I would have been so mad if I would have forgot. Alright, so I'm going to add some of this. And spread that around. Because you don't want to throw it in there after, because it's frozen and it's going to make, you know what I mean, make water. And you don't want no water after you dump it out after it's done, all that stuff. So I do have the oven set on 375. I might put it on 400 though. I don't know. Depends on how fast you want to get it done. There you go. These bad boys in the oven. So let me turn y'all around. In case y'all want to see me throw them in the oven. Don't mind my dirty oven, man. I need to wipe that up. Wipe all that down. Because y'all know I cooks in this house. Let's go throw these bad boys in there. Like so. Keep them like a little spread out. And voila. Alright. There we go. You know what? I might turn that up some because I'm really hungry. And I really want to eat by like 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on 400, okay? Yeah, boy. Alright. Oh, I also got some green onions right here. Green onions. Because I'm putting these on after I dump out the juice when I add the gravy. Because remember, we still gotta add the gravy. And I also got some mushrooms, okay? So we're gonna be doing all that later on. Okay? So with that being said, we're gonna let this bad boy cook for about 2 hours. What time is it? 5, 6? Yeah. About 2 hours. We're gonna let this cook. And I'll show y'all and I'll show y'all what to do after that, okay? I had to cook. I had to make that before tomorrow. Alright guys, the pork chops are done. They've been in the oven for literally 2 hours on 400, okay? Still got the aluminum foil on here. I just got to take everything off and drain them really quick, okay? Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add the gravy, baby. No, I'm sorry. We're going to add the green onions. I like green onions on mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up some of these green onions so I can put on my side. Because they don't really like it too much. The green onions cut up. About to throw these all in here. Like so. Green onions. Put a little bit in this one. Because this one's mostly for me. They don't like the green onions like that, like I do. So I tend to put most of it in mine that I'm going to use. And I also got mushrooms. I'm going to throw the mushrooms in. Alright. We're going to go with the pork gravy, everybody. Pork gravy, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and get that gravy all in there. So you just want to smother the pork chops with the gravy. be a lot better. I didn't shake up the first couple of ones. Alright everybody, change of plans. Change of plans. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it back up and put it back in the oven for a half hour, okay? Not uncovered. Not uncovered. So, I'm going to throw these back in the oven and we'll see how it looks after that. I literally just took this out the oven. How long did I have it in the oven for?
It's 5:30, you said?
After the gravy.
About a half hour.
Alright, half hour since I put the gravy in, covered, okay? And I just took it off. You can still see the steam. The corn on the cob is done. And I'm about to make the plates because I am so hungry. I'm like so hungry. Look at that. Yeah, that's a good screenshot. Thumbnail right there. Bam, thumbnail. Alright, make the plates. Alright, y'all. Don't mind my hair. I know I need a haircut. That's why I normally have my hair on. And I'm hot. I'm sweating. So, but dinner is done. The pork chops are literally falling off the bone. Mushrooms, green peppers. Look at that. There. That is good. And taste the mushrooms and all that stuff. You'll like this recipe. So, if you haven't, well, I don't even know what I'm talking about because I'm thinking about this food. Get this recipe to try. I'm about to go smash this pizza.
Perfect.